Hello, I'm Richard from Daly's Walk Behind Tractors. I had a need to do a test run on this BCS 38-inch finishing mower, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to do a quick video. We don't have any video of this mower in action. I just cut some, a lot taller than probably most people will be doing. This is a finish mower. You can see the height over here, and it cut it pretty much 100% clean. I mean, one or two pieces here and there it missed, but I mean, it did an exceptional job considering its bagging. So you've seen in the video how easy it dumps. You just unhook this right here and pull this thing up and away. Dump the clippings and leaves whatever out this way. You can also run this mower without the bagger if you want. In that case, this is missing a deflector, of which we have to put back on. But in the case of running without this bag unit on here, you just take this whole piece off, and there's a deflector that throws all your clippings off to the side. You pretty much have to have it on there if you're going to mow without this, otherwise the clippings go everywhere and it's kind of a mess. But a nice thing out in the cast, can you see this? You can adjust the height on here, it's really nice. So the deck itself stays constant unless you adjust it, which you can adjust a little bit to work with what size wheels you have on your tractor. You can move these wheels up and down, but the deck generally stays constant, excluding the movement here. So your blade rotates, or not rotates, of course the blade rotates, but it moves up and down via this lever right here. So this is our minimum cutting height position, and this is maximum cutting height position. So from about, depending on tire size, with this size tire, which is 5x12, so you could probably do about 2.5 inches up to about 4 inches, I would say. So yeah, BCS 38-inch finish mower. I mean, it's a heck of a mower if you need one with a bagger. I've bagged in the rain before, only because I happened to be mowing and it started raining, so I continued mowing, and I mean, it was still bagging even wet stuff. So it's a pretty awesome bagging mower. And you can see from what we're cutting here, I mean, it did a heck of a job on some really tall grass. And normally folks use some finish mowers and it's not this tall, unless you live out in the country rural area like we do. But anyway, thanks for watching, and email or call if you have any questions on this stuff. God bless.